garage, which is the important part.
Oh,
Spoiler for Chevelle. Well, I had to restore it. Well, I want to look at that.
What you think?
oh,
Cool.
it's so beautiful.
Interior's
Oh,
from bumper to bumper, it's redone.
Watch out, watch out. Watch
I
out.
wanted to,
oh my God!
I wanted to get it done for you, so you can take that to Atlanta. That's why I want y'all to get a house down there. So you can take it back to Atlanta and enjoy it.
Oh, it looks great. It is so beautiful.
Come on, walk around it. Walk around it. Take the detour.
That is gorgeous. Sit in it.
Oh man, it looks great. Yep. Come on, Tad.
Take the detour.
You can get in there.
Hey, Dad, you got to come over here. Hey, watch out, buddy.
Beautiful.
Watch out, buddy. Doompa, get in.
It looks great.
It is
All right, Doompa.
awesome. Get in. It is awesome. That is so beautiful. Wow. What a
It looks good.
It does. It's beautiful.
I just gotta get in.
Texas, I just gotta get in it. You need to get in it. Oh.
I can get in without sticking.
No, Tanner.
All redone.
Tanner, don't move.
That's what it looks like when I first took it. It looks
Love you, Dad.
It's beautiful. It's absolutely.
Stripped all the way down.
Yeah, all the way down. Underneath's been done. Every crevice.
Yeah, Mama was so damn happy.
Oh, she would. She's looking down right now.
Yeah.
Tanner, dude.
Oh, it is beautiful.
Come on, let him
Great
sit in there.
job. They did an awesome job.
Stay over here for me, please.
It is beautiful.
Dad, you gotta
It
take a
really
seat.
is.
Take a seat.
Roll up the window. All
Nice.
that's been redone.
All the windows work.
You don't have to close it from the outside. Look how beautiful.
Yeah, it
It's
looks
color.
great. It looks great.
Let's
It
go.
looks
What just put it?
great.
Perfect. It's perfect. Thank
Hey.
you. Hey. Hey.
Oh, it looks great.
What you think, Randy? Awesome.
There you go. Let's see if it starts.
Mama will be happy.
They probably won't cry.
Tanner, come here, buddy.
Let's see.
Let's see.